Well, let's get the rest of this on there, shall we? Get it smooth, move it on. Why it seems to be getting hard already. I'm not sure why that is. Oh, it's drying up in my pan. Not liking that. I'm not liking that. I may have to throw some of this away. Bad. I was going to use some of this and scan over a little bit on the other two steps, but I'm not gonna be able to. Looking just a hair low right in there. Go over the screw. Some of that mud I'm just not going to be able to use. Damn it. See, there's no way I could work with this with the 6-inch knife because it would be too hard for my fingers to push on it. Some of that I'm afraid I'm not going to get to. Oh well. I tried to mix it up the same as I always do too. Okay. That's all I can do on that step. See, there's that stuff, I just can't use it anywhere. But that's all right. I might be able to hit a couple screw holes with some of it. See if I can't use a little bit of it, huh? Okay. VideoJoe. Okay. Yeah, it's just getting too hard in the pan now. Whew. I think what it was it's getting quite cold outside, and it could have been just the fact that it's just cooling off too much, because that amount in the pan wasn't that much, really, you know. I don't know if I'm going to do any more today or not. It just seems to be getting a little brisk outside. The weather's changing. The weather is a changing. Yesterday was the first time I've worn a long sleeve sweatshirt in a while. Here, anyways. Got it on again today. Scrape the edge right off of there. Makes it look like, hey, wow, he put it on there nice and smooth. Little do they know that part of that smoothness is caused by you going back over it and making it smooth where it needs to be. I think I've done quite a bit today. Whew. I could skin over this one more time, but I don't know. I may do that tomorrow. The weather's supposed to be about the same tomorrow not just a hair warmer. And I can do a once over on these 3 steps, or I can go right into these other steps. This one here is not as long, but this is the worst one of them all. This dips down from the top down about 5/16, almost 3/8 of an inch. I not only have to build it up to there, I then have to come up even higher. So I may have to, before I put the screws down on that one, what I might end up doing is just putting a screw here and then raising it a little bit, setting my level on top of there, on down to here, finding out where the bubble is, making it just right. Okay, screw it down a little bit, unscrew it, make it up a little bit higher, and then do the same thing down at this end and in the middle. Then I can put my level from here over so that I can make sure that the screws are the same, kind of like how I'm doing all the other ones. Now all these other ones are about the same. Remember this one here, I've got to raise it up a little bit higher back there to let it slope to at least this position. This is going to slope straight up how it were on a regular step, like over here. This is going to go straight up at that point, and then from there it's going to go up a little bit higher so that any water that gets back in here is going to come out and then around. I got to do the same thing over here. Okay, so I got to remember that. Okay, I think I'm going to call it a day. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And all of these stairs here, well, these other few stairs are going to be done exactly like I've shown you on these 3, okay? And I'll do a little bit of more videoing of these stairs, and I'll end up showing you the end product, what it looks like when I'm done on the next video. Thanks again for watching.